Hello, my name is Jeronimo Martinez, and today I'm going to be presenting to you my video on the final project of chemistry. First of all, what is solar energy? Solar energy is energy that comes from the sun. The sun generates energy by nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion happens because of the great pressure and the great heat of the sun. When the hydrogen particles, atoms, will then separate, and the nucleus bonds with one nucleus of hydrogen bonds with another three nucleus, it forms one hydrogen atom. But because the hydrogen atom is lighter than the hydrogen nucleus itself, it loses mass, and that mass loss is the generation of energy or heat from the sun. Here on this project, we are focusing on how solar energy and solar panels work. Solar panels or photovoltaic cells work in 25 degrees Celsius, give or take, and they make an apportation of 1,000 watts per meter squared on average. The homes have to be prepared for them. They need the rooftop to be in a great condition, not weak nor shaky, and it needs to be flat. You need to check how much energy do you really need, and the panels can also mess up with the design of the old houses, like with the rustic ones, the old colonial type of styles. But what you need for the solar panels to work are, well, the solar panel themselves, an inverter that is a device that helps you run the direct current power, that is the one that they generate, into an alternate current power, which is the one that most homes use. Then you also need racking, which is like the mount for the solar panels. You need a performance monitoring, which is like a screen, a little screen that tells you how much energy you're generating and how much you are consuming. And then you can also have storage options, which are batteries to store the energy. Well, in the case of our project, my house already has solar panels, so I didn't have much to base on by my own experience. But since in our house, in our team, there is also Victor Tiburcio, who has no solar panels and generates an exaggerated amount of energy. Here we can see how much the difference makes. For example, in my latest receipt of the energy usage in my home, it's about 64 pesos, give or take. And on Victor's house, it's about, let me check. On Victor's house is 2,055 pesos. So it's a big difference without the solar panels. I think that the houses need to have solar panels because it's a green way to generate energy instead of relying on CFE to generate our electricity, because they use fossil fuels and we can run out of fossil fuels in no time at all. And the solar energy, well, first I think Earth will die before the sun, so I don't think we're gonna be running out of sun anytime soon. So that's why I think we need to go with solar panels, because it's safer, it's more efficient, and it's better for the environment. Thank you for your attention.